Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 14D question 3. So we want to find a value of basically each of these logs without using a calculator. So in part A, we have log 8 base 2, and essentially this can be just rewritten as 2 to the power of x is equal to 8, because log is all about finding that power. So we can always write the base raised to an unknown power is equal to the main number basically. And we know that 8 can be written as 2 cubed. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 cubed, therefore x is equal to 3. And that's the approach in questions like this. However, in the exam, you obviously have your calculator and you can always double check or just use your calculator, but it's important to just understand how we can calculate them, even though in the most cases the numbers aren't nice and you can't really just solve this manually. So for part B we have log 25 and base 5. So this is equal to 5 to the power of x is equal to 25, and we know that 25 is 5 squared, so x is equal to 2. C, we have log base 10 million, and in this case we have 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 million, and x is simply equal to 7 in this case, because 10 to the power of 7 is equal to 10 million. So for part D, we have log base 12, and this one is interesting because we have 12 to the power of x is equal to 12, which is just simply equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 in this case. And in E, so we have log base 3 of 729, which is 3 to the power of x is equal to 729. So this can be less obvious, but essentially 3 to the power of x is equal to, in this case 729 is the same as 3 to the power of 6. So therefore x is equal to 6. So in F, we have log base 10 of root 10 is equal to, so again as usual we have 10 to the power of x is equal to root 10, and obviously x is just equal to the power of a half. So sorry, x is equal to a half. And for G, we have log base 4 of 0.25, and so 4 to the power of x is equal to 0.25, or just 1 over 4, and this is the same as x to the power of minus 1. Now for H, we have log base 0.25 of 16. So this is equal to 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 16, and this happens when x is equal to minus 2, right? Because when we have 1 over 4 to the power of minus 2, this becomes 4 to the power of positive 2, and that just gives us 16. Now in I, we have log base a and a to the power of 10. So this is equal to a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of 10, and then simply x is equal to 10. So as you can see, these are very simple, and you just need to know one fact. That's how you can just go from log to exponentials, and then you can solve all of these. And the last one, we have log base 2 over 3 and then 9 over 4. So this can be written as 2 over 3 to the power of x is equal to 9 over 4. and in this case x is equal to -2, so similar to h, because when 2/3 is raised to the power of -2, then we'll have 3/2 squared, and that gives us 9/4.